This peeps, obviously we're out on the boat. We've been coming down this tunnel and we seem to have come across this. Hello! Say hello to my friends. We have friends, look. What? Look at this, look, the old mining stuff. No way. Yo, do the lights work? There? Oh, no, there's one down here. Emergency telephone, where? Look. Yo, we got lights up the tunnels. There's a light coming up that tunnel there, bruv. And that one. No way, look at this. No way. Look at this. This is a mad find. Yo, look at these people. Obviously, we're in this mad cave that we've just found. What? I told ya. What? Blocked off?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, that's where they do that leg walk, innit?
Look, we can get through, look. I reckon we can get underneath that.
Nah, you ain't getting down there. That's the way we need to go, down there. Yeah, there's all stuff down there on the walls, look.
Where?
Down there on the walls, look. See it?
Bottles? That's the bar.
It's the bar. No way.
Go there next.
Look at this.
Hey, get the tea in
What an absolute find, though, folks.
Have a cup of tea now.
What's an absolute find?
Now we need our torches now, look.
I was going to say, turn the torches off. What an absolute gem of a find, man.
We'll turn these off on the way back through.
I can't believe it. Yeah, look at all these little candle lights and stuff, look. No way. I've got to go up there and just have a look from up here, like. Wow. Just wow. Yeah, what's this box? This is all the communications and stuff, look.
No, sit it there, bro.
Yo, this don't feel too clever up here, though.
Nice rock, it's all rock.
Look at that, folks. What an absolute gem of a find in the cave. I can't get it over this one.
Well, there's more switches here. I wonder if there's no lights on down this tunnel.
No, them are the switches I've just turned on. Nah, that's our lights.
That's doing something.
Wow.